Get ready for the ordinary e-bike to stay in the dust as we get ready to explore 10 electric bikes that are as fast as motorcycles. From top speeds that will send your mind reeling to acceleration that is simply mind-blowing, these electric bikes will make you question the future of e-bikes and motorcycles. Number 10. Juggernaut FSXD. The bike uses a Biktrix XD coaxial mid-drive electric motor, which can deliver speeds over 2,000 watts and up to 65 kilometers per hour. The 52-volt 17.5 ampere-hour, 910 watt-hour removable battery gives a possible mileage of up to 80 miles. The bike has full suspension, with a rear suspension system consisting of a 145mm travel, RockShox Monarch RL rear shock absorber, and a Biktrix inverted air fork with 100mm travel, ensuring a smooth ride even on challenging terrain. It has Tektro dual piston hydraulic discs with 203mm front and 220mm rear rotor brakes for assured braking capabilities. The innovatively unique dual-chain drivetrain keeps human pedaling and motor power output completely separate, ensuring increased durability. 26 by 4 inches or 27.5 by 3 inches fat tire options are available for such diverse terrain as snow, sand, and mud. Built upon a supremely strong 6061 alloy frame and sporting a 265 pounds load capacity, the Juggernaut FSXD has a price tag of $4,999. Number 9. Nireeka Mega 1500. The Nireeka Mega 1500 is an electric mountain bike built with high speed and power in mind, making it suitable for mountain rides and adventures. It includes a powerful 1000 watt nominal, 1500 watt peak motor, a top speed of 37 miles per hour, and the battery offers up to 50 miles of range with its 48 volt / 17.5 ampere hour, 840 watt hour battery charge. Designed with a carbon fiber frame and featuring 160mm front / 140mm rear suspension, the Mega 1500 can tackle even the toughest trails with ease. Also, the bike comes equipped with SRAM level hydraulic disc brakes, cadence / torque sensor, thumb throttle, and walk assist, making it highly versatile. It is fitted with 26 by 4 inch tires, a 46 T-Buffang crankset, and a large handlebar of 710mm for maximum control and stability. Other features include a physics saddle, a tail light with a gyro sensor, and 5 levels of assist. The bike is appropriate for riding on city streets as well as rugged terrain. Weighing 70.9 pounds, 32.19 kilogram, the Nireeka Mega 1500 is available for $3,299. Number 8. QuietKat Lynx. Powered by a 1000 watt automatic hub drive motor, it achieves 28 plus miles per hour unrestricted, with its 19.2 ampere hour / 48 volt equivalent 960 watt hour battery, giving a range of up to 60 miles. The Lynx is designed for comfort and control, fitted with KKE 34CS 203mm inverted mechanical coil front forks and 210 by 50mm rear suspension, mounted on 24 inches by 4.0 inches V Mission Command tires for excellent traction. Equipped with an automatic 2-speed internal gearing system, twist throttle, and Gemma 2-piston hydraulic brakes with 203mm rotors, the Lynx runs smoothly over any kind of terrain. This alloy frame boasts 100mm travel and internal cable routing. The smart LED display is equipped with Bluetooth, GPS, and cellular for being informed on the go. With a 300 pounds load capacity and an onyx black finish, this QuietKat Lynx is built for adventure. Price: $1,799. Powerful, reliable e-bike for the great outdoors. Number 7. HappyRun G300 Pro. The HappyRun G300 Pro motorbike is a high-performance electric motorbike designed for thrill-seeking adventures. With a 6,500 watt peak motor, the motorbike has a top speed of 50 miles per hour, hydraulic brakes to stop in 3 seconds from full speed, and is perfect for thrill seekers. The bike has been powered by a 2,160 watt-hour removable battery, which allows for a 76-mile range, quick swap, and 80% in 2 hours, thereby beating the competition from Sur-Ron. The bike features a suspension system, a 43mm front fork, and double rear shocks, which can take impacts of up to 300 pounds, and double piston brakes. Riders use 3 different riding modes, which include pedal, PAS assist, and full throttle. The DOT taillights are included, coupled with the license plate mount for 50-state legality. At $3,499, the G300 Pro packs it all into the ultimate riding experience: power, comfort, and style. Number 6. Sur-Ron Light Bee X. The Sur-Ron Light Bee X is a high-performance electric off-road bike designed specifically for thrilling rides and off-road adventures. Equipped with a peak PMSM electric motor powered by an FOC controller, it has generated a massive torque output of 266 Nm and is capable of effortlessly tackling steep inclines of up to 45 degrees. The Sur-Ron has a thrilling acceleration rate of 0 to 50 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds. It has a 60-volt, 40 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery with fast rechargeability within 2 to 3 hours, long ride intervals, and long hours of uninterrupted ride sessions. The Light Bee X weighs 45 kilograms, dry/57 kilograms, curb, and has a weight capacity of up to 100 kilograms with ground clearance of 270 millimeters. It has a smooth ride due to its inverted coil spring front fork with 200mm travel and Intersect TR rear suspensio. Number 5. Delfast Top 3.0i. This bike is powered by a 3,000-watt nominal, 6,000-watt peak motor that reaches a top speed of 50 miles per hour, 80 km per hour, and has an amazing range of 200 miles, 321 km per charge. The I in 3.0, I signifies intelligence, which includes a smart onboard computer for monitoring, a smartphone app to lock as well as unlock the scooter, and 4G and GPS connectivity. The steel frame and KKE front suspension with 203mm travel offer a smooth ride with hydraulic disc brakes with 203mm stopping capability. Weighing 154 pounds, 70 kilograms, with a 265 pounds, 120 kilograms max load, it is equipped with LED lights, turn signals, and mirrors for street riding safety. The Top 3.0 I provides options for various speed modes, including Class 2 e-bike limits up to 20 miles per hour and full off-road speed. The Delfast Top 3.0i, priced at $6,600 to $6,999, is built for durability, innovation, and flexibility, targeting those who are number 4. Onyx RCR. The Onyx RCR is a high-performance electric bike with impressive features of speed, style, and innovation. Equipped with features of an 18 kW max/8 kW nominal direct drive hub motor, 80 volt nominal/91 volt max voltage, hypermode with 65 to 75 miles per hour, the bike provides the thrill of riding at high speeds. The bike has a 45 ampere hour, 3.6 kilowatt hour, battery with a range of 130 miles in optimal conditions. The RCR bike also includes a TFT touchscreen display with CarPlay and Android Auto, improved hydraulic brakes, and a lightweight aluminum frame. It also offers a choice of street or dual sport tires, as well as wood grain and metal kits for customization. The bike comes in standard 40 inches or shorty 38 inches sizes, and has pedals for emergencies in certain regions. The Onyx RCR, priced at $5,000, is a speed, versatility, and style all-in-one experience unlike any other. Number 3. Stealth D52R, the Bomber. The Stealth D52R. The Bomber is a next-level electric bike designed for extreme performance and rugged adventure. Fitted with an 8.5 kilowatt direct drive BLDC motor, generating 230 Nm of torque, it reaches speeds of 95 km per hour. A flexible range is promised by its 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery, varying from 30 to more than 100 kilometers, and charging takes just 3 hours. The D52R also features a monocoque frame in 4130 CRMO alloy construction and a strong swing arm with front suspension travel at 180 mm and the rear at 200 mm. Other components include an 80 mm dropper post, 250 mm hydraulic brakes, and a 6-speed electromechanical sequential transmission that comes with a lifetime warranty. Further features include a pressed aluminum controller shield and nylon fender kit for durability and protection. The D52R is a mixture of raw power, precision engineering, and dependability for the ultimate electric ride. Number 2. Motor FC1. The Motor FC1 is a high-powered electric bike aimed for speed enthusiasts who want to experience the thrill of a motorcycle. It comes with a 72-volt 5,000-watt brushless gearless hub motor, which allows a speed of 105 to 115 km per hour. It is accompanied by a 72-volt 40 ampere-hour lithium Samsung INR 21700-40T battery with a range of 65 to 70 kilometers, although an optional 42 ampere-hour battery allows a range of 75 kilometers. The bike's body is made from a unique 2.0 mm thick steel frame, allowing for ease in tackling various terrains. Also, the bike has a Taiwan DNM triple crown, USD 8S front fork, and Taiwan DNM burner, RCP2S rear shock, ensuring a smooth ride. The bike also offers dual hydraulic disc brakes, each with a 203 mm rotor. To complete the bike's build, the bike has 19-inch motorcycle-grade rims and off-road/all-terrain tires. The FC1, priced at $4,798.99, promises to deliver speed, toughness, and cutting-edge technology, providing a number 1 HPC Revolution X. This electric bike is equipped with a HPC gearless DC hub motor capable of delivering 10,000 watts and an impressive 195 feet per pound torque, helping riders go 65 plus miles per hour on rough terrain and 50 plus miles per hour in the city. Powered by a USA-made 78 volt or 86 volt 2,400 watt-hour battery, the bike has a range of up to 100 miles. It has a sturdy 6061 aluminum carbon fiber frame and 9.5-inch DVO suspension for a smooth ride over different terrains. Along with Kenda Navigal Pro 26 by 2.7 tires, a half-twist throttle, and a custom CA/nuclear screen, the Revolution X is designed to support riders of up to 350 pounds. Therefore, a $13,000 price tag and a 10-year warranty on the frame allow this e-bike to deliver maximum power and performance on extreme adventures. And that is it for our list of 10 electric bikes so fast that they are pretty much motorcycles. From record-breaking speed to space-age designs, these e-bikes are keeping things new. Which would you take out for a spin? Drop your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to like it, subscribe, and hit the bell for more electrifying content.